Earlier, the South African Communist Party in Mpumalanga vowed to fight tooth and nail for the proposed bill to be signed into law. Various protests were held in the province in support of the proposed law, which seeks to achieve universal health coverage in South Africa. Mweli Masilela was there.
A handful of South African Communist Party members and supporters held a picket outside the office of the Mpumalanga government in Bombela. It forms part of efforts to put pressure on government to fast-track the implementation of the NHI. This is despite objections by business and some political parties. SACP Provincial Secretary Mbuyane says this is just a warning shot.
This is the start of a class struggle, comrades. We're starting a class struggle today, and we're starting a class struggle precisely because the unelected class can't dictate for the South African government what to do. Our government must sign into the law the NHI so as the gap between the poor and the rich can be narrowed. Our people are able to see specialists in this country. They can see dentists, they can see optometrists because they don't have money. And the private capital is refusing our people to get help from our public institutions.
Mbuyane also took a swipe at those who claim that proper consultations didn't take place.
Comrades, the processes of consultation was done appropriately. 8 provinces in our country agreed with the consultations. They agreed. So there should be no way one can come up with some techniques and style. Actually, the consultation was never done, but it was done sufficiently. And 8 provinces in South Africa agreed with the bill, which must be promulgated into the law.
The Congress of South African Trade Unions in Mpumalanga has backed the SACP.
We are fully behind the South African Communist Party on the call for the full implementation of NHI. Because first, we call for this NHI. We demanded it. That is more than 10 years ago, close to 15 years now. We have participated in every process up to now that we are having this bill discussed in Parliament today. Now we know that there are those that want this NHI not to happen, and we know their reasons. And really, we are not going to fold our arms. This is our product. They can expect a big fight from COSATU.
Officials from Health MEC Sasekani Manzini's office received a memorandum of grievances from the group. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Mweli Masilela in Bombela, Mpumalanga.